So this lockdown has really affected the artists. So many of them we have like I have many friends also who have been an artist, a theater artist, or a dancer, but they have been affected by this lockdown and they are into depression. So any kind of suggestion or any tip like how can they just cope up? I know it is a hard time for every one of us, but them it is like a little bit harder. So any kind of message you would like to tell them?
See, one thing is there is a hard thing happening for entire world. It's not for only artists. But sorry, me being an artist, I can understand what is the consequences of the loss. So we would be having no program for about more than a year now, and we will not have any regular good classes, one-to-one classes with students. So our prime job is was teaching and performing. So ab to dono bhi nahi rahe. So it is very difficult. I'm sure if there is any kind of a saving, which is hard for any artist to have savings, because we spend a lot of money on dance, on costumes, on jewelry, on making ourselves better, and we groom ourselves. Our hair, our makeup, our costumes, our general things. We spend a lot of money. That's the name. The problem is we can't literally say, but I would like to say, if there is anybody who's in need for a basic things, if you are really suffering, please approach me. I would bring some help. I will try to get something done.
That's so sweet, sir. That's so sweet of you. I know it's a hard time for all of us, and it's not only the artists. Yes, everybody is under some kind of pressure. The entire
Yes,
world
yes,
is
it
under
is,
some
it
kind of
is,
pressure.
it is. And one more thing I have noticed is, um, when you look at the lockdown scenario, without you mentioning or telling to anybody, you would generally guess like, अरे रे ऑटो वाला फैमिली को क्या होगा, अरे काम वाली बाई को, अयो हाउ कैन दे लिव, अरे लाइक किराना शॉप वालों को क्या होगा, और अरे वो वेंडर को क्या होगा, ये वेंडर को क्या होगा, वो शॉप वालों को क्या होगा, डेली लेबर्स को क्या होगा, कंस्ट्रक्शन लेबर्स को क्या होगा, माइग्रेंट लेबर्स को क्या होगा, ऑल ऑफ दैट. But nobody would think that the artist needs an help, because हम लोग we don't come a person who's looking for a help or who's got a need. We always has been like, gave a wrong impression to the world, mostly by way of we always as dancers come across very flashy persons, and we wear a lot of glitter on ourselves. ऐसा नहीं लगता कि वो इन लोगों को कुछ जरूरत है पैसों से, उन लोगों को कुछ मदद चाहिए and all of that. But they do need help. Me being a dancer, I'm telling you, we cannot really uh, ask people also for help most of the time. And it is a very shameful thing to ask or talk to anybody for a help. But me being an artist, I'm actually calling, I'm advising people, like, look around. If anybody probably need any help, without them asking, please try to understand that artists also in the below poverty line and they need help. We don't have a government policies. I think this is the time one has to help another, whether they are artists or not. So we have to help everyone possible under this horrible circumstances. So I am again letting you know, if there is anybody who is suffering in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh who are kuchipudi dancers, please let me know. I can do whatever I can, and I have people who are actually helping me out to figure out things, so I can be a help too.
That's a great message, sir, because this actually was needed because we have been seeing the news and we have seen the Bombay condition. So many artists are like really committing suicide because they are not able to pay the rent because they have not got their money from last 3 months, 4 months. So it's like a really bad situation for the artists. And yes, this is true that the middle class people and the artists, they are not being कैटेगराइज की हाँ इनको भी जरूरत हो सकती है, हम उनको लगता है कि ग्लैमर वर्ल्ड है तो इनको किसी चीज की जरूरत है नहीं, दे आर वेल टू डू एंड ये सरवाइव कर लेंगे, बट दैट्स
हाँ।
नॉट अ फैक्ट। इनफैक्ट अगर कुएं से भी पानी निकालते हैं तो वो कभी ना कभी ड्राइज ऑफ। तो डेफिनेटली फॉर श्योर।
And one more request is, please don't make artist, like, I should not use the word, um maybe, don't make us beg for help. So if you can understand, few people can talk, yeah, try to understand as a human to human. So that's what I can tell.
I totally understand, sir, and I'll myself also be passing on this message, and I'll be also like making sure that all my friends, if they need something, I have been in touch with them because I know as an artist I cannot help them, but I have been talking to them so that they don't do anything wrong and they have at least something to talk about. And for sure, they
Yeah, nice thing that at least somebody is talking and addressing. That actually helps sometimes, basic, like, just to balance it.
that is the minimum we can do for somebody. Like we can just at least call up and ask them, how are you, do you need something? I know many people they won't say, sir, because एक वो ego होता है, एक शर्म होती है लोगों के अंदर, तो everybody is not that easy for saying कि please help me, and that is like what you said also.
फ्रैंकली ना, ये डांस हम लोगों को इतना बिगाड़ देता है। ये पता नहीं, ये डांस में कुछ अलग सा एक एक सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट होता है इसमें। आर्टिस्ट, सी, आई टेल यू, we have always known artists as very sensitive person. We say that many times, we hear things, we read like that, like, artist is very sensitive, unless they are so sensitive they can't make such things and all of that. अरे sensitive के साथ साथ उन लोग shy भी है, एंड उन लोग इतना सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट भी रहता है, सो लाइक, sensitive, emotional, so shy to seek help. And please don't hesitate to ask help when you are really falling down. Ask for the help. Somebody can pull up. If you shout your voice out, probably somebody can hold the hand and maybe pull at that point of time. So I'm requesting my brothers and sisters who are in the art fraternity, please shout for help. Maybe somebody would listen to you, if not the government, if not an NGO, maybe some neighbor, or maybe somebody from the friend circle. It's not very easy to find the help, but yes, until you tell the people, you would not. Uh, People have been so busy to notice what is happening in the other house, because they also have enough in their plates. So I'm asking you, please be thick-skinned, ask for help.
I would second you, sir. They should ask for help. But again, sir, प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है ना, यहाँ पे हमने सोशल मीडिया में ये देखा है कि जो थोड़ी सी भी हेल्प करते हैं ना वो इतना ज्यादा बताते हैं, सिर्फ एक फोटो खिंचवाने के लिए वो हेल्प करते हैं। सो उससे बहुत लोगों को ऐसा होता है ना कि नहीं, वी डोंट नीड इट, इनफैक्ट दे नीड इट बैडली, बट जस्ट बिकॉज द मीडिया इज कमिंग इन, दे आर क्लिकिंग फोटोज, वो उनको एम्बेरस कर रहे हैं, इसलिए जो रियल नीडी है ना सर उन तक भी हेल्प नहीं पहुंच पा रही है। दैट इज द मेन प्रॉब्लम विच आई हैव सीन पर्सनली विच इज हैपनिंग नाउ डेज।
You are very right. I also have seen many videos, like, and photos like that. But there is a 50-50 chances for photos and taking and not taking. It's okay if you are a direct person. For example, if I am taking out 20 rupees from my pocket, if anybody wants to see the help, show the help, or I don't want to show the help, that's okay. But if I am responsible for somebody like an NGO, or maybe somebody who's helping me, sometimes it is
Right.
it is better to have the proof, like, that it's not to show that no, I am doing that. It encourages for them to do more help. That point has to be understood by the other person who is receiving the help. But me being an artist, I also have this 50-50% of agree and disagree with this thing. But this is a very, like, uh, difficult world. We made ourselves so difficult and we stopped believing in people. In fact, it is nobody's mistake. We have seen and been there, and then we have heard things. So people misuse many things. So kya kare? Somebody has to look at the fact sheet. So sometimes it actually helps and encourage the person to do more. And of course, sometimes it is, frankly, I also need help, Namrata. तो मैं क्या बोलूं, किसको बताऊं मैं? It's not like I want just a grocery. I want beyond it. तो मैं क्या करूं? I mean, we have been, so I kept quiet. So I cannot ask if it is not basic stuff, right? So at least we need some basic things to live. So it is okay to not to do non-basic thing for some time and do only basic stuff. So at least you are surviving. See, this, somebody told me this 2020, don't do anything. Don't maybe try to achieve things, just survive. Just survive in this year. That itself is an achievement.
But that surviving is a big fight for everyone, sir. It's not only the
Very true.
coronavirus which is killing everyone. It is like financial problems, the mental problems.
Yeah.
Everybody is not able to take that pressure. Many people are out of their jobs. Many people are working. They are blessed that they're working from home. But half of the people, they are out of their jobs, sir. It has been a like really very tough time. Very tough time. Everybody, yes, he survived. What
Very true. Very true. Surviving is a task now. Uh, I mean, as I told you, whatever little I can do, or my friends can do, and my fellow dancers can do to other fellow dancers, we are ready to do it. And please, reach us. There are many people, we know them personally. There are many people whom we don't know personally also. We are ready to help. This is the time, God is watching what you're doing. So be kind to others. So hopefully everything will get settled ASAP. We can't say.
I'm sure everything will get settled soon, sir. So, any plans of online concept? Because right now, of course, as you said, one-to-one classes are not possible. So, why can't all the artists just join in hands? And it's just like what I was thinking. I don't know. You guys are the best people to tell us. If every artist can join and create a platform, because the people like even me, I have learned, and down the day again stopped for some reason. There are so many artists.
I missed your question. It is I lost the voice.
I was just asking, is there any kind of online platform getting ready for the upcoming artists or those who want to earn and those who want to learn?
See, as a teacher, you can always offer online classes if other party is interested or student is interested. So I am trying to do to my capacity. And sometimes it is not so interesting, but we have to bear that. Sometimes, see, in the interview itself, how many technical errors, voice, and time lapse, and all of that happened. So imagine person learning from other end have a difficulty to. So it's not easy. It's not easy.
Not easy.
Even teaching online is not easy. But something is better than nothing.
True, sir. Very true. And I hope everybody who's seeing it get the message. And please don't go under depression. Please approach us. Please approach Dr. Halim Khan. Please approach us. We are there for help. Okay. My all the
Yeah,
question rest
it
here
is
then.
it is just not like any normal interview, Namrata. It's like very we are talking a heavy topic. So it's not so easy
Right.
to carry that and all of that. So I think our concentration today, in fact, I've agreed to do this live is only to give the message to the my fellow dancers. And you rightly said, like, sometimes talking helps, sometimes, at least uh, doing the basic thing helps. And sometimes, probably, if you are capable, or, if you are trying to do online classes or online shows, please try to do it. Here one point, I would like to mention one thing. Let's say one teacher has like 10 students. Let's say, uh, like, we always respect teacher as a teacher comes first. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru
Right.
Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasvai Sri Gurave Namaha. So Guru
Correct.
comes first, right? So the students, if I am a student of a teacher, let's say I take some responsibility to do a small little basic thing, considering that he is my family person. So if you consider your teacher as one of your family member, so there is no shy to with family members. So you can help your teacher a bit. Let's say you are helping with some rice, one student is helping with some rice, one student is helping with some kind of a miscellaneous, or one student is helping with power bills, one student is helping with maybe a gas bill or something, or maybe medicines. So if you divide your 5-member student, 10-member student, who can do, maybe for 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, adopt your teacher, try to be supportive to your teacher. I know, even student family is not really, somebody who earns money from the sky, and they also do a hard work. But this is the time they a person needs another person's help. So I was thinking, maybe in this manner, if he's not able to really talk out loud about his issues, maybe students, if any student is hearing this, please go and talk to your teacher, deposit some money if you have in their accounts, or take some grocery, maybe do something for them, or ask what they want. Maybe if it can be small little, maybe if 1 kilo, maybe dal, or maybe maybe some fruits. I cannot tell you what all is necessary. Anything is necessary under the sky right now. Everybody needs help. I think Modi also needs big time help. And even I want help, you want help, the biggest person in the country needs help also. But what can we do? That is the situation now. Everybody needs help. So let's help each other. At least I'm talking about the dance teachers and dance students. Look at your dance teacher. Your dance teacher is not the way, not the person that is going to talk to you for his needs. Not most of us are not like that. So that's the message.
True, sir. That's very true and very nice message for everybody. So I would request all the people who are seeing us, please do come ahead. Everybody is not going to ask you for help. Everybody is not that brave enough to say that I need help. You need to understand your family members, as Dr. Halim said that we are the family members. So please come ahead and help your family members. Everybody is not brave enough that we can come and cry out and say कि हमको भूख लगी हमको खाना दो. So please, no more questions, sir. I don't think so. I can ask you anything. There has been a lot of
No, in fact, even if you ask, my mood has been changed. I cannot be so general. So I think we see. I'll tell you what. I don't know how many are watching. I don't care. But this can be, even if one person get benefit from this interview, and I'm very happy about it. So I do not really want 100,000 uh, like people watching with no interest. But if anybody is getting some kind of help through this interview, which I have anyway thought like will tell on this interview and all. So thank you for like giving me this opportunity to talk to people. I hope there are many things that we can discuss later, but now I
Sure.
think I am little heavy-hearted right now. I cannot really
Me
say
same,
things.
me same.
So I'm again in a short thing. I'm actually, if you can cut this and paste, like let's not have a big interview. Try to cut the small video, Namrita. I'm again repeating very quickly. If any of my fellow dancers are suffering for the basic needs, please do write to me or reach me through Facebook or Instagram or any manner you can. And second thing, I advise every student, whether it is a music student or like dance student or any student, please ask your teacher whether he has eaten food or not. He has paid his bills or not. He's got the grocery or not. Please check upon them as you do it to your father and mother. Kindly go do that.
Definitely, sir. We will make sure that this not one, thousands and millions people they see and they come, they understand what is the concept of what we have been telling, and they do come and help. At least if 1 out of 100 would come, I think we are worth it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time, and definitely our interview will take on some other day because right now I'm not in a position to ask you anything. I'll catch you later on, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so very much. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.